another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Marrakech, we stayed at the beautiful Riad Selouane. We chose this riad because it was located in the Medina and within walking distance to many restaurants, shops and sites. The riad can't be accessed by car in the Medina. When we arrived, we were greeted by a staff member who walked us through the Medina to the riad, which was roughly a 5-minute walk. When we sat down, he poured us a tea while we checked in. The riad was beautiful. There was a palm tree in the middle, beautiful Moroccan decor and a pool. Not long after, we were shown to our room, which was on the top floor. First impressions of the room was great. Our room had modern Moroccan decor with traditional touches. It was very spacious, with a desk in the corner, a wardrobe, a large mirror and air conditioner. There was also a seating area in the corner. The bathroom, like the rest of the room, was mostly neutral. There was a shower, a bathrobe and a few additional amenities. Just outside our room, there were stairs that led to a rooftop. You could really relax and enjoy the views over Marrakech from here. Shortly after, we headed out for dinner and we noticed that the riad really lit up at night. The next morning we headed down for breakfast, which was included in our stay. This was in another beautiful room with traditional Moroccan decor. It was a Moroccan style breakfast with pastries, egg, bread, tea and coffee. We spent 3 nights at this beautiful riad before it was time to leave. We loved our stay here and we would definitely be back. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at this riad. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.